Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will learn how to download c270 Logitech HD webcam driver and PC. But first, open your web browser. In search bar, type support.logitech and hit enter. Click on first link. In search bar, type the model number of your webcam. Scroll down and click on your device. Click Downloads. Show all downloads. Select your version of Windows. Scroll down and click Download now. Now your download will be started. If you are downloading it for Mac, scroll down. Under Mac section, select your version of Mac and click Download now. After downloading, click on the Setup. Click Yes. Click I agree. Wait for some time. Click Finish. Now your driver for Logitech webcam is installed. Thank you so much for your time. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.